Welcome to BlueJay Engage, a turnkey solution for healthcare providers to engage patients. There are 4 modules in this platform: communication and telehealth, home exercise program, compliance and outcome tracking, last but not least, care coordination. First, schedule a video visit with a patient on the Schedule Telehealth tab. Click on Video Visit under Appointment Type. Once you schedule a video visit, the patient will receive a notification via text message or email with a link. The patient will begin the appointment by clicking on the link and the notifications they received. Once the appointment has begun, you have access to several features. Go to Tools. You can record the meeting by clicking the Record button. You can also use our built-in AI technology to measure patients' range of motion. You can also send instructional videos to your patient during your visit under the O section. Finally, you can prescribe home exercise programs to patients. To schedule a video conference, go to Schedule Telehealth. Click on the Video Conference button. Same as Video Visit, your patient will receive the meeting link once the appointment has been confirmed. Once the appointment has been scheduled, you will see the meeting URL on a pop-up window. Invite other people to your conference by sending them the meeting URL. You can have multiple participants join a visit, which can include other caregivers or the patient's family members. Go to My Patients, select a patient in your patient list, scroll down your screen to the Chat section. BlueJay Library includes more than 4,000 rehab videos. The videos are categorized by different specialties and body parts. Build your pre-group exercises by adding videos to your favorite lists. Clinic Library feature allows you to share your grouped exercises with your colleagues. Go to My Patients and click your patient's name. Under Exercise Program, click the arrow button at the top right corner to expand this section. Click New Treatment. You can add videos from your favorite lists, BlueJay Library, your clinic library, or upload videos from your PC. Let's choose Add Videos from BlueJay Library as an example. Select the videos that you would like to use by clicking the appropriate filters or by entering the keywords in the search box. Once you find the videos of your choice, select the checkbox and then click Add to Treatment at the bottom right. Adjust the number of reps, how long to hold the exercise, number of sets, or add specific instructions. Then click Next. Adjust the date and frequency for this treatment. When finished, click Schedule and Send Treatment. BlueJay Engage can help you to track your patient's compliance and outcomes. Under each patient, open Materials, Surveys. You can send patient education materials and surveys as links in text messages and emails. To see patients' progress, simply go to My Patients. Click on the patient's name to view patient's health journey. Under Goal Outcomes, you can track the patient's progress towards his or her goals, pain levels, and functional loss levels. Our system sends out weekly survey to help you to collect the data. You can also manually input the data by asking your patients during the visits. Create a team approach in delivering healthcare to your patient, as well as increases efficiency. To create your care team, you will need to first add and manage contacts under My Contacts. Then enter a patient's dashboard. Under the Care Team Referral tab, you can either invite other healthcare providers to your team or refer your patient to other healthcare providers. Click the provider's name under the Care Team section to start a conversation. Congratulations! You have successfully completed the training. And thank you for choosing BlueJay Engage.